Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay in full with PayPal, or also known as PayPal Buy Now, Pay Later. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on PayPal, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, using PayPal's Pay in 4 feature can offer several benefits for managing your finances and making purchases more manageable, alright? Now, the interest-free payments in PayPal allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal interest-free payments, making it easier to budget for larger expenses without incurring additional costs. By spreading the cost of a purchase over several payments, you can manage your cash flow more effectively, of course, avoiding savings into emergency funds. Now, as you can see, you can pay bit by bit with PayPal, and that's going to be PayPal in 4. All right, all I have to do is choose PayPal at the checkout to pay later with 4. Complete your purchase with initial 25% payment, and the remaining payments are taken automatically. It's going to be easy. Now all we have to do is sign up for this account. Now, for example, you're planning to buy something on shop or in the store on the website that accepts PayPal in 4. All you have to do is choose the item, all right? And from there, click on the PayPal checkout. What will happen is you will be directed to the merchant's item or the merchant center. And for example, you are encountering problems with the PayPal's Pay with 4 here on your website. You might want to contact the PayPal support for troubleshooting steps, because it could be that 1, the store doesn't accept the PayPal with 4, or number 2 is you don't have enough balance to pay for the specific items. But if it's either of the reasons why it's happening, you might want to contact the customer service here. And from here, all I have to do is message with the PayPal assistant. Click on the "How can I help you?" chat bot here. And let's see if we get an answer. All right. Now you can also call the, of course, the customer service to get an answer. After that, let them know that you're having problems paying with 4 in your PayPal account, although you have enough funds on your balance, all right? Now, using Pay in 4 with PayPal can be a valuable tool for managing larger purchases and, of course, improving cash flow and maintaining financial flexibility without the burden of interests or late fees. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.